Hello and welcome to Market in a Minute, July the 17th, 2025. So, technically, what do you do when there's a clear break of structure to the upside, as there has been in the KSE-100 index? It is finally supported by volume and momentum, but there is no resistance on top because the index is in uncharted territory. First of all, you take caution, you tighten stops, you book partial profits, and you prepare for volatility. You do not take fresh long positions just yet. Let's take a look and see why. So this is where we are, 2285.53 point gain. A clear break of structure above this upper line, increasing volume again, and momentum also slightly increasing if you see the MACD. ADX is 37.14, shows a pretty strong trend right now. All this aside, you must also look at a very important feature. For example, the price right now is 11 to 15% above the 50 and 100-day exponential moving averages. RSI, while firmly in a bullish trend, is now at 78.34, which is also a firmly overbought territory, suggesting that the rally might be running hot and vulnerable to a short-term pullback. The same is true for the moving averages. A distance this far from the mean shows risks of a sharp reversion, increasing if it holds this altitude for too long. So having said all this, it makes sense to treat this value, and also take one more point into account. We are at a historic high. We have no point of resistance above this. So whatever resistance will come will be, again as in the past, at psychological levels or at best at Fibonacci levels, which measures geometric expansion and contraction of the market. So with all these thoughts in mind, a reversion to the mean is on the cards sometime in the near future. So our verdict for the day is that the strong, though technically very strong, confirmed and still attracting buyers. The market is still overbought, overextended, and now momentum is beginning to lag price. If you look at the MACD, for example, this is a place to manage risk, not add exposure. Our advice is to raise stops, book partial gains, and prepare for volatility in the coming days in either direction. So, no fresh longs for the time being, but do book partial profits. And stay tuned. Thank you.